What's up, YouTube? So I have Bissell PowerForce PowerBrush. You can see right there how dirty it is. Let's take out tank. Right there you can see all the lanes are dirty. And right here too much pet hair. Let's go clean it. To do that we need to disassemble these 3 bolts, and or actually you can release the nozzle to clean it, separate. But to clean the brush inside we need to use plus Phillips screwdriver. Need to use bigger tip. This is too small. This one fits perfect. And I guess one more screw right here. So we took out 4 screws right there. Now I'm trying to figure out how to take out this brush and clean. I can see right there there's another screw, but I need longer Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead. Just be careful with this lane, don't break it. I put extension right here. And let's go and untie it. To untie, you can see pieces out, and roller itself out on the belt. Just be gentle. So it looks like this. Just use basically a brush and wipe it out, and then what I'm gonna do, flush this part with water. Alright, look at it now, all clean. Just be careful with these pieces, they will go out from this, and we'll have little spacers, 2 of them on each side. Now let's clean this part. I will just use a brush, make sure everything is dry on the surface, and basically just wipe it down, take your time, and then we'll assemble it back together and see how it works. Alright, just finished flushing it with a hose. How you can see, it looks way better. Everything clean. This belt, don't lose all your pieces, all right here. Let's wait until it's dry, and then we will assemble it back together. Simply put it in. It's very easy. Don't forget to put spacers, 2 of them. And now put the cover back piece and tie all the bolts, all the nuts, and that's it. And we're all clean and nice. Everything assembled back. That's very good. Everything clean. Let's go ahead, fill up some water with. Let's go ahead, fill up some hot water with some cleaning supply and check how it runs. Alright, let's put it down. Thanks for watching, guys. Click like and subscribe.